We have decided to identify and analyse different social groups and how they are represented within our similar product research. Through age, gender, social class and ethnicity, we are able to use key romance conventions within our own piece to create a sense of realism. Within Love Rosie, it's clear that the characters used within the piece are teenagers. This can be seen through their fun behaviour. Due to this, it allows young people to connect with them and the struggles they face regarding their relationship. When creating our own piece, we will use young actors in order to appeal to our target audience and create a relatable feel. It is clear that female protagonists are often the main focus within the narrative of romance films, as stereotypically they are more emotionally affected by love. As females tend to watch romance films more frequently than males, we will ensure that the female protagonist is the focus within our piece, as our target audience will be able to relate to her emotions and feelings. Within Love Rosie, there is a heterosexual relationship between the male and female protagonist. This is because heterosexuality is somewhat idyllic and the majority of people are able to relate and identify with this. When creating our piece, we will use a male and a female to further conform to this, as it will appeal to the stereotypical audience of the romance genre. From viewing Love Rosie, it's apparent that the two protagonists are white. This is stereotypical of both the romance genre and the media as a whole, as often films are whitewashed in order to conform to the dominant ideology of society. We will conform to this stereotype when producing our own piece to mimic the conventions seen from existing romance films such as Love Rosie. The protagonists are clearly from a middle-class background. This can be identified through the locations that the piece is set in and the costumes worn by the characters. As the target audience for the romance genre is often high working/middle class, we will use costumes and locations that evoke a sense of middle social class so that the audience can relate to the characters.
Created using Powtoon.